Welcome to my channel Information Cum Career Counseling Center. My name is Radhika. I'm an educational counselor. Today, let us discuss about the MCC counseling system of 2019-2020 and the new counseling system of 2020 to 2021. Because the counseling systems are changed, whereas AIMS and JIPMER were not added in 2019 to 2020 counseling, but now they have been added in 2020-2021. As well as their cutoffs will also be changing this year. Come, let us discuss this in detail. Information Cum Career Counseling Center is a Bangalore-based registered company, and in this company we provide simplified career solution for all students. In this page, what we are going to see is the MCC, that is Medical Counseling Committee, or DGHS, Director General of Health Services, will be doing counseling for the following. It's 15% for All India quota, 100% for deemed university, central universities like Delhi universities, AMU and BHU, including institutional domicile quota, 100% for ESIC, that is Employment State Insurance Corporation, 100% for AFMS, Army Force Medical College, 100% seat for BMMC and SJH and ABVIMS, that is 15% for All India quota plus 85% for institutional quota, 100% for AIMS and 100% for JIPMAR. Now let us see what All India quota includes. 15% MBBS or BDS seat of states, 100% MBBS or BDS seats of BHU, 100% of MBBS seats of AIMS across India, All India quota of JIPMER, Pondicherry or Karaikal, All India quota seats of AMU or DU or VMMC or ABVIMS, All India quota seats of Faculty of Dentistry, Jamia Millia Islamia, All India quota seats of ESIC, Employment State Insurance Corporation. Now let us discuss about the counseling procedure of 15% MBBS or BDS seats of states, wherein there will be two rounds of All India quota online counseling done, round 1 and round 2. The seats remaining vacant after round 2 of All India quota shall be sent back to the respective states. All candidates who have qualified for All India quota seats on the basis of their rank in NEET UG conducted by the National Testing Agency, except the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, will be eligible. Let us see the reservation policy of All India quota. Reservation policy of the central government for the NEET UG counseling 2020 in All India quota is as follows. For SC it is 15%, for ST 7.5%, PWD it's 5% increase from 3% to 5%, OBC for non-creamy layer it is 27% only in central institutes or universities, and EWS it's for 10% only in central institutes or universities. What is the eligibility condition for All India quota? The candidate should have qualified for NEET UG 2020 and should be a domicile free, wherein he or she can be from a different state across India. In this page, let us see the total colleges which participated in MCC counseling were 192 from different states, and 15% of All India quota seats were 4,129 and 85% state quota seats were 23,378. AIMS, All India Institute of Medical Science. It is an autonomous institution wherein there are 18 AIMS college for this year present in different places across India. Come, let us see the counseling procedure for AIMS. There will be 4 rounds of counseling, that is round 1, round 2, mop-up round and stay vacancy round. Out of the 4 rounds, 3 rounds will be conducted online by MCC, that is Medical Council Committee, that is round 1, round 2 and mop-up round. The stay vacancy round shall be conducted by AIMS, for which the list of registered candidates for the stay vacancy round will be forwarded by the MCC to AIMS. What is the eligibility criteria for AIMS? The eligibility is the candidate should have qualified for NEET UG 2020, should be a domicile free from any state across India. Candidates are advised to go through the information bulletin of AIMS at Annexure 3 to check the eligibility conditions. Now let us see about JIPMER. It's Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research. It's an autonomous institution which comes under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, which is located in Puducherry and Karaikal. Seat matrix in JIPMER. All India quota seats is 179, wherein the state quota seats is 70. JIPMER has its own eligibility and admission policies for its internal seats or domicile, which the candidates are advised to go through the same. The seat matrix or the information of JIPMER for NEET UG 2020 is provided by JIPMER. In this page, you can see the seat matrix for MBBS 2020 in JIPMER, Puducherry. For different categories, the number of seats reserved and total seats. It is the same for JIPMER Karaikal as well. The same category and number of seats as follows. Counseling procedure in JIPMER. Wherein it's similar to AIMS, the 3 rounds are conducted by MCC and the stay vacancy is conducted by JIPMER. Eligibility criteria for JIPMER internal seats. As we know, all candidates who have qualified for NEET UG 2020 are eligible, as well as candidates are advised to go through the information bulletin of JIPMER at Annexure 4 to check the eligibility conditions. Let us see who are the central universities and who are eligible for central university counselings. Like Delhi University, its 15% of seat will be for All India quota and 85% of seat will be for the students who have studied 11th and 12th grade in Delhi. And Aligarh Muslim University, where 50% of institutional reservation for the candidates who have studied from their school, and the remaining 50% of seat will be open to all eligible candidates for NEET. And for BHU, all candidates who are eligible for NEET and Faculty of Dentistry, Jamia Millia Islamia, wherein 3 seats of BDS are under internal quota and 47 seats of BDS as per the category mentioned in the seat matrix are open to all. And VMMC, that is Vardhaman Mahavir Medical College, and ABVIMS is Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Medical Science, wherein 15% of seat is for All India quota and the remaining is for the candidates who have studied 11th and 12th grade in Delhi, that is 85% of state quota. As mentioned in the earlier page, this is the seat matrix for Central University or Institute quota. As mentioned in the previous page, you can see the seat matrix for the Central University or Institute quota in this page. Counseling procedure for Central University or Institute. The same procedure as follows. The round 1, round 2 and mop-up round will be conducted by MCC and the state vacancy round will be conducted by the Central University. In Delhi universities, we have 3 colleges, that is Lady Hardinge Medical College, New Delhi, which is a women's medical college, Maulana Azad Medical College in New Delhi, and University College of Medical Science in New Delhi. Let us see the seat matrix in Delhi University, wherein 15% seats are for All India quota and the remaining 85% seats for state quota is the candidates who have studied 11th and 12th grade in Delhi are eligible for institutional quota. Eligibility criteria for Delhi University state quota. The candidate should have completed the age of 17 years on or before 31st December 2020. To become eligible for 18% of Delhi quota, the candidate must have passed 11th and 12th standard examination, which is conducted by CBSE or Indian School Certificate Examination by New Delhi, or any equivalent examination from a recognized school situated within the NCT of Delhi. And third, the candidates who have passed qualifying examination from Patrachar Vidyalaya or National Institute of Open Schooling will be eligible for admission in MBBS or BDS course under 85% of Delhi quota, provided their study center or the examination center were within National Capital Territory of Delhi. They must upload a certificate from the controlling authority of Patrachar Vidyalaya. Let us see the Delhi University seat matrix for 2019 for different colleges and different categories, wherein this year there will be some colleges added and their seat matrix would change. Central institutes under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare are Vardhaman Mahavir Medical College, it's VMMC, and Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Medical Science, it's ABVIMS. Let us see the seat matrix for central institutes under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, wherein 15% of seats will be for All India quota and 85% of seats will be for state quota. Students who have studied 11th and 12th grade in Delhi are eligible for institutional or state quota. Eligibility criteria for state quota seats. Candidates who have passed 12th examination conducted by CBSE, Council of Indian School Certificate Examination in New Delhi. And candidates must have passed in subjects like physics, chemistry, biology and English with a minimum of 50% marks together and 40% in case of SC, ST and OBC candidates. Now let us see about AMU Aligarh Muslim University. Seat matrix in Aligarh Muslim University, wherein 50% of seat goes to All India quota and the remaining 50% for the state quota. It's for the internal candidates of AMU will be eligible. Seat matrix for 2019 in Aligarh Muslim University as follows for general category and the number of seats, MBBS seats. What is the eligibility criteria for 50% state quota seats? Candidates who have studied physics, chemistry, biology and English, and they have to obtain a minimum score of 50% marks in physics, chemistry and biology. Candidates should not be less than 17 years. Candidates who have been selected should go through medical fitness examination before completing the admission. Now let us see about BHU, Banaras Hindu University in Varanasi. It's an institute of medical science. It's an autonomous institution. In this page, what we are going to see the seat matrix for BHU in 2019. It's 100% open seat, domicile free. As well as you can see in the page for different category and the number of seats. Now, let us see about Faculty of Dentistry, Jamia Millia Islamia. It's a central university. Let us see the seat matrix for Jamia Millia Islamia, wherein it has its own reservation policy for admission for different categories and their reservations, which you can see on the screen. Eligibility for internal quota, wherein the student should have passed from Jamia as a regular student. Armed Forces Medical College, AFMS. Candidates who desire to participate in AFMS counseling will be required to register on MCC portal. The list of registered candidates will be sent to AFMS authorities for conducting the offline counseling as per their rules and regulations. The result of the counseling, that is the allotment status, will be sent back to MCC for uploading on MCC website. ESIC, Employees State Insurance Corporation, wherein 15% seats would be allotted to All India quota and remaining 85% of seats will be for state quota, and all students are eligible and it is a domicile free. Deemed University, 100% seat, and the counseling procedure for Deemed University is first 3 rounds will be conducted by MCC and the stray vacancy round will be conducted by the concerned Deemed Universities. Seat matrix for Deemed University, where 85% will be for management seat and 15% will be for NRI seats. In 85% management seats, 50% of management seats will be going for minority reservation in minority deemed university, like there is a reservation for Jain minority or Muslim minority in certain deemed universities. What are the NRI documents need to be submitted? Sponsors, NRI passport or visa, relationship certificate from the embassy, documents. For opening NRI portal should mail all the document to MCC as per notification by MCC. Eligibility for deemed university, the candidate should have qualified for NEET UG 2020 and a domicile free. In this page, you can see the number of deemed university, that is 42 deemed university which are participating in MCC counseling. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. For further information or guidance, kindly call to the below number. My name is Radhika and my number is 8884499760. If you like this video, kindly like, share and comment and subscribe.